Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf of Dr.A.Q school system, Shagaji Campus Kohad, I welcome you all to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we will be discussing Unit 1 Matrices, Exercise 1.3, specifically question number 10. Moving to the question number 10, that is, let A matrix is equal to -1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, -3, 2, 5. Matrix B is equal to 3, -1, 2, -5, 3, 4, -3, -4, 0, and C matrix is equal to 2, -3, 6, 0, 4, -1, -5, 1, 3. Compute the following if possible. Part 1, A plus 2B. Now we have to compute and we have to find out A plus 2B, and then 3A minus 4B, and then A plus B bracket close minus C, and then A plus bracket start B plus C. So we will solve all these four parts one by one. Jumping into the first part, A plus 2B. You can see that in solution 1 we have A plus 2B. First of all, we are going to solve part 1, and then we'll move to part 2, then part 3, and then part 4. So the first part is A plus 2B. So what I have done, first of all, we have to write matrix A. Matrix A is -1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, -3, 2, 5. And then in center there is plus. You need to write plus. And then 2. Here is 2. And then with 2, you need to write matrix B. That is 3, -1, 2, -5, 3, 4, -3, 4, and 0. Now in the next step, you have to write this matrix as it is, and then plus. Then you need to multiply this 2 with each and every element of this matrix, because this 2 is multiplied with this matrix. So 2 3s are 6, 2 multiply -1 is -2, 2 multiply 2 is 4, 2 multiply -5 is -10, and so on. Then in the next step, you have this one matrix, there is this plus sign, and then you have this another matrix. Now you need to add these two matrices, right? It's quite simple. You just need to add each and every corresponding element together. -1 plus 6. Here you will write -1 plus 6. 2 plus minus 2. So yeah, here we have written 2 minus 2. Why? Because this plus sign when gets multiplied with this minus sign, so plus into minus is minus, so that's why we have written minus 2 minus 2. And then 3 plus 4, 4 plus minus minus, so 4 minus 10, 4 minus 10, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 8, -3 plus minus minus 6, 2 plus minus -8, 5 plus 0. Alright, now in the final step, what we need to do, we just need to add these numbers together. -1 plus 6 is plus 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 minus 10 is -6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, -3 minus 6 is -9, 2 minus 8 is -6, and 5 plus 0 is 5. So this is the answer. This is A plus 2B. It is equal to this matrix. Now coming to the next second part, which is 3A minus 4B. In this part again, you can see that this 3 is multiplied with A, and then there is this minus sign, and then this 4 is multiplied with matrix B. So again, it's quite simple. What you need to do, you need to multiply 3 first of all with the matrix A, and then there is this minus sign, and then 4, and 4 has to be multiplied with matrix B. So in the next step, 3 is multiplied with each and every element of matrix A. As a result, you get this matrix. And then this 4 is multiplied with each and every element of this matrix, and as a result you get this matrix. Alright, so 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 multiply minus 3 is minus 9, 3 multiply 2 is 6, 3 multiply 5 is 15. And then you write minus sign here in between two matrices. And then 4 3s are 12, 4 multiply minus 1 is minus 4, and then 4 2 8, 4 multiply minus 5 is minus 20, 4 multiply 3 is 12, 4 multiply 4 is 16, 4 multiply minus 3 is minus 12, 4 multiply minus 4 is minus 16, 4 multiply 0 is 0. Keep in mind we are not multiplying this minus sign, alright? Minus sign, we will write this right in between these two matrices. We will only multiply this number, okay? Then in the next step, we just need to subtract these two matrices. Minus 3 minus 12, 6 minus minus 4, so minus minus becomes plus, so 6 plus 4, 9 minus 8, 12 minus into minus plus, and it means 12 plus 20, and then 6 minus 12, 0 minus 16, minus 9 minus 12, so this will become minus 9 plus 12, 6 minus minus 16, 6 plus 16, 15 minus 5, and then finally minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 minus 8 is 1, 12 plus 20 is 32, 6 minus 12 is minus 6, 0 minus 16 is minus 16, minus 9 plus 12 is plus 3, 6 plus 16 is 22, 15 minus 0 is 15. This is the answer of the second part. Now the third part is A plus B bracket close minus C. Now in this question, first of all we will add matrix A with matrix B. Simply write down matrix A and then plus matrix B. Add these two matrices together, and then you will have this matrix as a result. Alright, now this is A plus B matrix. Alright, now with this A plus B matrix, you need to subtract matrix C from this A plus B. Alright, so this A plus B, here you can see we have written A plus B matrix, and then there is minus sign, so minus, and then there is matrix C, so this is the matrix C. Alright, and then you need to subtract these two matrices. As a result, you will get this matrix. This is the answer of A plus B bracket close minus C. Now coming to the last part, which is A plus bracket start B plus C. Now according to the Mass rule, alright, so first of all we will solve bracket. That's why we are going to solve B plus C, right? So B plus C is first, so B plus C is equal to bracket start matrix B and then plus matrix C, right? And then we need to add these two matrices together. We will have an answer. This is the answer of B plus C, and then A plus B plus C. So we will write down matrix A, which is this, and then plus, and then B plus C, the matrix of B plus C, which you have already found out, which is this one. So we will write B plus C over here, and then we will just add these two matrices together like we did before, and finally we will have this answer. So this is the end of question number 10. This is the end of today's lecture. So we have discussed in detail question number 10, and we have solved all the parts of question number 10. Now if you have any question, you have any queries, you can ask me, and I hope now you can solve this question by yourselves. And again, if you have any problem, any query, you can ask me anytime. So wish you best of luck.